Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude. From today's video, it's another special video. You've been checking me since we started doing what we call like agriculture or farming, and right now we are at actually the market side. So make sure subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I would really love to know at the comment section what you think about this our video, and of course, let's get back to the land. Let's get back to Mama Africa. And for those who are thinking about coming back, you are all welcome. Mama Africa is so big, and you have a very big piece of land over here in Africa. It's only you to come and utilize it. So right now, on our parcel of land, we planted over 300 seedlings of watermelon, and right now, as you check, we just harvested. Right now, this is not the what you call like the sum of watermelons, because this is the second day of market of selling this, because we sold some, and right now the remains that I have just take them personally on the market so that we can check how is the market, what side of the market, which gap is it in the market. So make sure you subscribe, and so for now I'm really planning to put some in the car or in the trunk of the car, so that I can do what you call like go check on the market. So we'll be with you as you see how stuffs are here, so we'll be checking, selling with you, and also if you want to make your order, make them before, because the other time I made some of the YouTubers made some orders and it got delivered. Some of also the locals did what we call like made their orders, got delivered. Also it's your time, also your turn to do what you call like have what you call like your sweetie juicy watermelons. So let's put them in the car trunk, and as you see, I'm just trying to select this because each and every watermelon here have what you call like its best. So starting from this smaller one to the bigger one, they are all juicy. I haven't had any complaint from any of the consumer that, oh, your watermelons are bad or your watermelons are gum-like, because I saw some of the comment here. I don't know if it's a hater who say that, are you ready to chew the gum watermelons? These are not gum watermelons. These are juicy watermelons. Because for those who, there are those who are waiting for you to fail so that they can laugh. But I thank God that what we have done, it's really positive, and I'm really happy for this. So yeah, let's smile to the market and we check. So let's pack this trunks of watermelons. As you see, this is the last stock. I'm telling you, this is the last stock that we have here. The other stock is only on the agro bed that are still at the nursery beds. So you are highly welcome for your watermelon. So let's take some to the market and we see how they will be. Yeah, so guys, actually I went to the market yesterday, and one of our subscribers bought some watermelons, and he said that I have to supply them to my neighbors. So he bought watermelons to the neighbors, and so right now we have the remaining stock that we have, so how to also to choose. So I want to start with another home, a neighboring home, and yeah, so I'll be starting now. This is another video of delivering watermelons to the neighbors, as a special grade support. So I have to choose like this one. Right, so they'll definitely get 2 or 3 watermelons. That will be really great, yeah. So this one should be better. So I have to deliver this just right now, and I'll be taking one of also our neighbors so that they can witness this. And then that will be so much there. So thank you so much, guys. Actually, you're the people who really make me work very hard by motivating me and by really supporting me. Like now we have some of the stocks actually at the what we call like at the farm, so I'm looking to farm more and more on this, and may Almighty God bless you all, because the moment you see like me supporting this way, you really motivate me to work more and more hard. So yeah, let me deliver this for the first house, and then I'll be taking them to also to another house, just like that, and we'll be that makes me very much happy. So let's go and see the excitement about our neighbors. Okay. Yeah, so your village man with watermelons. I'm walking. They're too heavy to carry. So I'm walking with these watermelons. So these are special, let me say special. This farm you see down here, at least I want to do the project down here nearly home, which will not be costing me actually much. So I want to do farming over here at home, and that's better. So see you at our neighbor's home. Okay. Hey, nice trees, man. You're a farmer. Yeah. Hey, look how people building nice houses, man. Hey, the village is growing. Yeah? Very nice. Very nice. Hey, I see some cassava here, and hey, if you put this watermelon here to this what we call like ducks, you'll see fire. They'll eat everything. So let me take it to, let me see who is drinking. Hodi. We have brought you mama. Yeah, so guys, we have delivered some fruits to over here to one of our neighbors. Our mom also, look how happy she is. Hii tulilima mama, hii nilima. Sikujanunua. Hii nilikuwa nalima.
Hongera.
Asante mama. Wewe acha tu.
Sasa mama, mkumbuke mama. Asante wanangu.
Kulikuwa na subscriber mmoja, alisema acha wanunulie.
Ngosi.
Alisema wacha wanunulie. Kuna subscriber wanunulie hizi. Akasema niwalete. Alisema ulifanya kazi nzuri kwa shamba. Sasa nataka niwanunulie watu kwa kijiji.
Asante.
Utamwambia asante yeye kwa kamera pia.
Asante. Nashukuru. Asante kuninunulia matunda. Nashukuru sana.
Thank you so much for buying her some fruits. Sawa mama. Nashukuru sana. So I'm also back home for more. So I wanna just go pick some also. Deliver them. Till we see how every stuff is around. So push the gate and go home and see how stuffs are. Yeah. So wife is also loading some, as you see. She's loading some inside the trunk, the car trunk, so that we can keep on giving them out. Hey. Okay. So we are doing a wonderful job. All right.
So guys, we have to give out some melons.
Lugha taifa jamani, Kiswahili. Tukatokaza mtanda huko hapa Sirali. Ni lugha ya taifa, ndio lugha ya Tuki. Wewe kila wewe anatoka gamba. Acha pamoja mama haya na haina timu.
Ukeihondo.
Kukulia mule kusibu.
Ndio kutoka kuli bono muntu kurangambo kakambega. Ona nukugulia kanu tunohera kandi orphanage nyumba here ya orphanage. Ndipo nakatamere anyo kibiri bahere kama sarasi. Yani nakatamere kaharando mpi. Ono random people mtu unazikira kukulelewa ito.
Asante.
Maere no ambe kanombe manyeri gande greto pe ande lakini anongutembere kumanyandi gande.
Akubanyira no retobere.
Haya, asante. Haya.
Haya ukiko hapo ya kwa hali. Yeah, so guys, that's how it is. Like having a home, going some homes, you are being told no. You are going to other places. No, who told you? But there are those who are
Some people are afraid.
Yeah, some people are afraid.
Or should we give these ones?
Okay, well, that's good. Hey, what?
Hey, this dog is huge. Inapiga watu? Sasa ng'ombe ipige watu? Anacheka.
Hata wewe msekeni hayo bukimba hayo. Ya mama. Ani na wanu nini mkulima ande mama. Ano muntu akambe muntu kama wewe kama kushirika hoteli kwa nini ngore kana kuunzi. Sisi ndio na kwa haya ndo hanya mitu no kwa orphanage na kana hata ne kumi. Bona wiki ni ile dana ni kuiba mwene bo.
Ana ndio kula tata. Ni orphanage kwa tige mara mbe mpata kwa nini.
Mara ni bahai na kwa kulingana kwa karasi. Si na namba ya Wabira kana na kwa hata gari no.
Oh. Nyabika hiyo sembari.
Nyabika. Kono bira ka tegwa.
Sawa, asante.
Some people are afraid. They think. Chukua bro. Easy. Sawa. Aya, asante.
Yeah, so guys, we are heading downwards. Hey, others are there like, no.
Others are afraid.
Others are afraid. Others are like, no, we don't use watermelons. But anyway, hey, this is a heavy task.
It's a heavy task.
Yeah, from
we
here,
try. You get the courage. You give.
Yeah, anyone who is willing to have them is willing to have them to be given. But the one who's saying no,
yeah,
saying no.
We don't force. Yeah.
Yeah, because people reject blessings. That's how people reject blessings.
Because they're afraid. They think it's something bad or Freemason.
Yeah, that's how they think. Mura! Safi! Baba! Hey, habari ya size?
Yeah.
Ajishindia mama. Nimepujishindia kuma heri nolitobe hiki. Nolitobe. Rajishindia tuigo turae. Ono. Ambe bakahara sokoni hara noli kugulibwa ilimu. Ilimu iliana kugulibwa ilikana pakilikana na musini. Kuna jirani mwingine?
Nini tu moja I think is enough. Alafu tutapelekea watu wengine. Tuende.
Sawa.
Funga tuende.
Yeah, so that's how we are doing, and we are going. Actually, even today, it's a Saturday. It's on a Saturday. Most people have also gone to church. You know, most of this area, most of people are Seventh-day Adventists. So yeah, let's do what you call like give them out, hand them out.
Yeah, we're giving some of them, but some are going to Nini.
Yeah.
We have others that we're going to sell maybe later.
Yeah.
So yeah.
At least we deliver.
We deliver what was told. And today Saturday, probably most people are at church. Others are not here. Others are farming. Yeah. So this community here, you can see.
And you know, actually, most people fear
free things.
They given free things.
Oh my God.
Yeah. We're so Koreans. These people.
They are superstitious.
And for those who are not yet. Unakula watermelon. Unakula watermelon. Kuna za tulipewa hapa.
Nini? They're coming.
Sawa, acha nikupatie moja. Ambayo yenye nabaki tupeleke kwa community, so we are choosing what is best for you. Tunaona tu ndio zimeiva ndani. Nzuri. The kids running after the watermelons.
Yeah.
Maraba. Maraba. Sawa. Yeah, so that's it. Hey, but I'm so shocked with some, like,
people are afraid.
They ask you.
They think we're afraid of Illuminati.
No, you're a farmer.
Yeah.
And why can't you take them and go sell them so that you can get a lot of money instead of giving them out? I tell them somebody has already bought them, so I don't want to steal from myself. That's like stealing from myself. If somebody has bought some from me, and then I go, I sell them again. That's like stealing from myself.
Even chasing away your blessings.
No. Okay, we don't use them.
He said you don't use them.
Yeah, we don't use watermelons.
Oh.
Do you know what Mzee said?
No, I don't see. What's talking in Korean, I don't understand.
No. Sasa watermelon tata. Don't use watermelon. So it's like, oh, okay. But you know, sometimes there are those who are afraid of. But anyway, it's good.
I know.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's understandable.
It's understandable.
Given that they don't know where they're coming from.
Yeah.
You give they also don't know. They're poor, not comfortable.
Yeah.
And it's okay to put say no.
Yeah.
Others to say yes.
Yeah.
For example, you can ask these ones who are working here.
Yeah.
And if they want, we give them. If they don't want, we go ahead and find someone else who wants.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me try them.
Because someone paid, and we have to issue them.
It's a task.
It's a task, yeah. There's a doggy. There's a dog. Mm-hmm. Karibu. Are you there?
So,
Asante.
so let's go. So let's take this again home. Yeah. So let's go straight. We'll be back.
Oh, guys, it's to show my face. I haven't shown my face. It's a lot of work trying to convince people you're giving them things for free. But here we are.
Slowly by slowly. And actually it wants to rain. When it rains,
I hope it rains. We have maize. We haven't planted. Yeah, we haven't checked there in a while.
Yeah, so maybe we'll go show them when they're shooting. So let's wait for maybe 1 week.
Mm-hmm.
And
then we prune. We're
and
supposed to
also,
be pruning.
No, we'll go check on them as an update of also
what's going on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get them out here.
Let's try these women.
The people here.
Are they like?
I'll give you a story, but I want to record.
Will they chase us?
No, let us first ask them. Then we record them.
Okay.
The
women there.
Yeah.
Okay. They have accepted, guys. Wanaogopa. Sasa si tumeogopa. They are so happy. No. Wape moja moja. Wamepata kila mtu. Aya, sawa. Aya. Aya. Okay. Asante. Asante mama. Si tulikuwa tumeogopa. Tukasema imetosha.
Haya mama, asante.
Asante.
Kama kami wetu ni humbu hano rentoka hano go bani siba munispo hoyu. Wamuze Claude. Mama, uno ana ndio kachapa kambika
Yeah, I'm so happy actually. These are the people who understand what charity. The people who understand what charity is actually. They're so much fruits for free. Okay. And I was like, okay.
They thought we were selling.
Yeah, they thought I was selling. But wow, man, very, very nice. I'm also so happy. I just feel
when you get people are so receptive like that, you feel encouraged.
You feel encouraged.
When you get those ones who are like thinking, oh my God, we don't eat watermelons.
No, they ask you questions and then they tell you don't eat the watermelon. They ask Lama. Habari yako jamani? Hey.
Yeah, so asante.
I started delivering from far home. Now I'm taking this to the
Nearby houses.
Yeah. So I remember that I just closed the whole compound.
You closed it. You had forgotten. Guys, look at our sukuma wiki. I hope it rains every day. I am praying. We need a gate here. This one here comes off like all the time. So let's go. Is that Yan? Oh, we will catch her one of these days. We will bust her.
Now, nobody's in there. Chonde. Bwana nakuletea mazuri bwana. Kuna vitu nilima hapa bwana. Bwana hii kitu cha kuquench maji vibaya sana. Kitu cha kuquench maji.
Maraba. Hey,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, I can see you have brought us something good.
I hope it is.
Hey.
So,
I sometimes like, let me deliver each and every home. John,
Hello?
hii mambo beard, mambo mzuri.
Hapa nakwambia sana kwambia my friend tena ni kwenda my task.
Unarudi nyumbani?
Wako.
Okay. John shika yako John. Sasa ni
For free.
Yeah,
for
guys,
free.
people are at shamba. Okay.
People are
The
digging.
sun is actually here.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, we are farmers over here in this village. So that's why you can see how hardworking people are around.
Yeah, you
They
see?
are good neighbors. You see, they have plowed. Hey, Chacha, did they come out?
I really appreciate this. My friend.
Yeah.
You know I love this type of fruit.
Uh-huh.
It is good for our health.
So I found this actually at my land over there in Yamui. So it was like the grand harvest shows that they were stealing from me every single night.
So we decided to remove all of them.
Remove them. And one of our people followers said that, man, it's good for me to buy and we distribute. So the work is to distribute. So me I'm distributing. So
Let's take to mom.
Nimeenda kwa mama sijampata.
Oh.
Nataka nipeleke kwenu. Nikono nimalizie huko sasa hivi. Nilikuwa nimeenda kwa children's. Sasa nifike kwa Julie.
That is good though.
Yes.
Hi.
So you go.
Yes.
We didn't appreciate. Thank you for actually for this fruit.
Okay, you're welcome.
This
We
is a
didn't
professor. He's a professor. Professor Chacha. Yeah. He's a professor. You
Okay.
don't see me in the land, oh. I swear. It's called Professor Chacha.
Okay.
He's a good teacher, a good high school teacher.
High school.
So if you have a school and you
business
want
studies.
business studies,
Business studies.
muna introduce yourself muna. Ado utaweza pata mwalimu wa America muna.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
I'm
Who's the
Mr.
CV?
Chacha Jackson. I'm a teacher of business. That is actually, you know, things like CPA or whatever. That is certified public accounts. I can handle them with if.
Okay.
Then, yeah.
Thank
Alright,
you.
guys.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
this is
thank
my
you, guys.
immediate neighbor here. If you want, you say I want that teacher. I'll just come and tell Chacha your CV, everything I present.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
You
okay.
people have a nice day ahead.
Okay,
So
thank
let
you.
us resume
Continue.
our work.
Yeah.
Then we will
We'll
see.
talk.
Yeah, later.
Okay. Thank you. Here we go. We're heading. Oh, I actually thought this is the home because it's down here. I've never been here though. Brother, like, oh, okay.
I can give you to the yeah, so we are here again, guys. The kids are crying because they want to see visitors.
They don't want to visit us.
Ajoni kupeleka kwa John. John, fuata John.
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, we are here actually at our neighbor again. So we have delivered some of the fruits. Hizi tulilima shambani kwetu. Yeah, we had a farm and one of our followers said, I have to buy this for the harvest and then you can share with them to your neighbors.
Yeah.
So yeah, we have delivered some here also to other neighbors. Now they are here. We have to say for the people who are watching, not for the one who bought this for us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You see already it's very red inside. Yeah.
Oh, baby's lucky.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Pole, mom.
Yeah.
Mwingine pia anaanza kuja.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
I really appreciate for the fruit. I'm so happy. It's so good.
You're welcome. Yeah. Okay, dear. Thank you so much.
Next time you can go to others.
Okay. Okay.
I'm so happy.
Oh, you're welcome. As we are leaving now.
Sawa. Nashukuru kwa
Chonde. Unaisikiaje? Utafuata ingine jioni basi. Utafuata ingine jioni.
Aya.
Sawa, ziko hapa. Aya, so guys, we are literally done. Now, I want to appreciate and say thank you so much. We have delivered this. Actually, it was a hectic just putting them like this. Some
We've given some we recorded, others we did not. It's a lot of work.
yes, a lot of because actually you have to say somebody. I have to record.
You have to go through all the others don't want to be recorded.
Yeah. I really appreciate and God bless you actually for those who have really supported us through this. May Almighty God bless you. Thank you so much. And of course, we are here at home and we are going to do more and more and more farming. God bless you abundantly. I really love you.
Mwah.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, eh?
30,000.
Yeah, by the way, you're almost at 30,000. Okay. Here? He's going to pick for his family. This is Junior's home.
His name is
Mr.
Mapera, man. Mapera, man.
Mapera is guava. Mr. Guava man.
This guy used to love guavas. Long time ago. He used to love a lot of
He could not sleep without eating.
without eating, he would go even to the bush to look for guavas. Bush guavas.
So what made him stop? Do you still look for them?
He's now a grown up man.
Oh, okay.
So please also subscribe to YouTube channel at Mapera, man.
Anajita Mapera man?
Yeah.
You mean? I didn't know, guys. This is our beautiful home. We thought we were ending this video, but we are back. So let's record one more person. Well, walking around here is no joke for Mama Maria. Yeah.
Yes.
Pick.
Waka uende kule watoto wa mamani.
Yeah.
Eat to the fullest.
Yeah.